everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will cook an apple pie. Let's get started. You will need 3 apples, a lemon, a cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 100 grams of white sugar. You can add more or less based on your taste and how sweet you want the pie to be. 1 piece of butter that I've melted in the microwave, 3 eggs, 100 milliliters of whipping cream, and of course nutmeg, baking powder, cinnamon and vanilla. The very first step is to prepare a baking pan. I used the one with diameter 8 inches. In the bottom, I put a list of parchment paper and cover it with the melted butter. I covered the sides with the butter as well. The pan is ready. Next step is to prepare apples. I cut each apple in half and remove the middle part with seeds. I also need some lemon zest. Use only yellow part. We will need to use the whole lemon. Once it is done, cut lemon in half and use a little bit of lemon juice for apples. That prevents them to become dark. After that, just slice all the apples and put some lemon juice on top. I put some pieces on the bottom of the pan and the rest I'll leave for decoration. Apples are ready. Let's prepare the dough. Take eggs and separate the white from the yolk. Add some salt in the white. It will help to balance sweetness of the pie. After that, start to mix. Once you see the white foam, start to add white sugar and continue mixing. After that, add yolks one by one and mix again. Now it's time to add spices. Some nutmeg, cinnamon, some baking powder, vanilla, and some lemon zest. And after that, just mix it. Now I add just half of flour. Make sure you sift it and mix it again. Now we need to mix whipping cream. Once it's done, just mix whipping cream and dough together. And then, if you feel the dough is too liquid-like, add some extra flour to make it more solid. The dough is ready. Put some brown sugar on the apples and add some cinnamon. And then just pour all the dough. On the top, just decorate a pie with apples. I tried to do a rose. In the end, I put some cinnamon again and brown sugar. Now we put the pie in the oven with 375 Fahrenheit temperature for 30-35 minutes. The pie is ready. An amazing smell of apple in combination with cinnamon makes this pie absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye and have a wonderful time.